be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
This is gonna be good. Oh no, I'm getting my notebook dirty. I gotta wipe it up. Oops, this just seems to be getting worse. But I have an idea how to fix it. To do this, we cover everything with a piece of paper and then color part of it with markers. Use bright colors. Then we take a clear bag and fill it with clear liquid soap. Didn't expect it? Another interesting detail is that we add glitter. Lots of glitter. And we spread them all over the surface. The final step, we add a yellow thick paper with a hole as if it were a jar. Wow, look at the result we got. It looks very cool and mesmerizing. Now you can play with your notebook. Time to make some important calls. Halo, how are you doing? It ruined the phone in the palm of my hand. But I know what I need to do. Let's make our own flip phone. First, cut glittery foam in rectangle shape. Now add glue to the inside, pop a toothpick right in the center, and fold it. Next, cut like this. Make the bottom part, then connect them using the toothpick, and yes, now it flips! Add some beads for decoration, and ta-da! Ring, ring! Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah! Now I'm gonna try these red peppers. I think it's so delicious. Wait! Oh no, it's so spicy! Now we're going to try different foods. Look, it's lemon. It tastes so sour. Eat lemon very carefully. Next we have strawberries. What do they taste like? It's sweet. Wow, I really like it. And now I'm going to eat chips. Oops, they're so fatty I feel weird after them. What emotion does the grapefruit flavor make me feel? Wow, it's a little bitter. It's a little weird, but I like it. And now I'm tasting broccoli. Wow, they're so delicious and healthy. Yeah!
It's a puzzle game, let's do this. Fill this puzzle piece by piece. So many shapes, eyes, mouth, and nose. Where
Now.
do they go? Where
Bear.
do they
Fox.
go?
Rabbit! Cat! Woo-hoo-hoo!
It's a kitty. Little kitty, kitty, kitty. Little kitty, kitty, kitty. Little kitty, you're so cute.
Yeah!
Kitty, I
Cat! Whoa!
Meow, meow,
Woohoo!
meow, meow, meow,
Rabbit!
meow.
Whoa! Bear!
It's a puzzle game, let's do this. Fill this puzzle piece. Hey!
Banana,
Oh.
banana, banana, where are you? I am banana. Do, 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 do. Banana,
Now, what do we have here? Funny eggs! Would you just look at them, friends? Oh no, let's find them! This is a cow! And here we have our missing chick. It's red. Who's that? A pig. And here? It's a duck. Let's check this house. Bingo! Dark blue chick. Who's in here? It's a sheep. How about this house? A donkey. The last house. Yay, we've got it! Green chick! These are shapes. A circle. And this one? It's a rectangle. Next, triangle. This one here is a square. And finally, a pentagon. Let's fill them in. This is a triangle, remember? And a square. Whoa, we've got a chick. It's blue. Let's keep going. Ah, what luck. One more chick. It's orange. We gotta finish here. Yay, we found the last chick. It's yellow. There you go, little fella. Bye-bye.
Here, and put some modelling clay in the middle. Now it wobbles. Now let's give our clown some googly eyes with some glue. There we go. There's one. Right, let's stick that one on. There we go. And now there's another googly eye about to go on. Come here, that's it. Now he needs a nose, and that's the pom-pom. Let's put plenty of glue on there. Oh, he's wobbling around everywhere. Now he needs a mouth. So for that we need the card.
Halfway!
Halfway already? Oh dear. There's the mouth, like that. There we go. Right, let's cut this out very carefully. Round we go. Oh, round we go with the mouth. Round there and round there. Great. Okay, that one goes on there. And now he's got a mouth. All he needs is some hair. So I've put some glue there and some glue there. And then scrunch these two bits up here. You've got yourself a wobbly. Done it! Ball of air drying clay and squidge it into the bottom of our half of the egg. There we go. And then we're going to get a pipe cleaner and wrap it around our finger like that to make a spring. There we go. I'm going to spring into action, Tocky. And push the spring into the clay like that. There we go. That's looking wobbly and good. Now let's make our bug. I've got the small pom-pom here. I'm going to put plenty of glue onto it like that to make a nose. And then I'm going to put on the googly eyes. Here's one. There we go. One googly eye. And here's the other googly eye going on. There we go. And now I just need to stick him into the top of the spring like this. There he goes. You've got yourself one wobbly bug.
Stop the clock!
Right, let's get our rectangle of black paper and fold it in half. Now with our pencil, let's draw a spider shape. Like that, like that. Here we go. Now let's get our scissors. Be very careful with this bit because scissors are sharp. It's time to cut out the spider shape. Now this is quite fiddly, so you might want to ask an adult to help you with this bit. Yes, this is tricky to do.
Be careful!
I'm being careful, don't worry. There's just one leg to go.
Hurry up!
Here we go. You don't want to cut a leg off. Round, and there's our spider shape. Now let's get our glue, stick with glue on the lid, like that. And if we put our torch inside, put it on there, and it's done! Flatten the bottom by pushing it like that. Then, with your fingers, squeeze out a tail shape. That's it. Like this. There we are. Very nice indeed. Now, if I turn it round, we can give our whale a face. And we do that very carefully with a plastic knife. That gives the whale a nice smile. Give him two eyes. There's one eye there. And there's the second eye going on. There it is, right. Let's get the two small balls of clay and we're going to push them into the side of the whale's body like that and flatten them slightly. That gives him fins. And then if we get a toothbrush and stick it in the middle, you've got yourself a toothbrush holder whale.
Stop the clock!